video num. Omuka say we know where you live. That means they want to go murder him. They said it on camera.
So almost market pa. Baby and this for Biamo attack woman. Chairman.
Ewiena na bi call EOCO and he gathered the young boys. Or gather boys na muye juma chema Wontumi. Edie ni Galamsey site no cast omunko. Omuba back no. This is what they are doing. The Galamsey criminal who has been detained at EOCO as the reports are coming in, the NPP hooligans, the NPP foolish supporters, they have attacked two pickup trucks belonging to the Ghana military. These are not mere supporters. These are thugs that should be gunned down. So if we have the security in place at EOCO, they should be on standby because these group calling themselves the Chairman Wontumi supporters are boys from the Galamsey site. These are boys who have guns, who have weapons on them, who can kill our men in uniform. So they should be on standby and they should be ready because Chairman Wontumi's boys from his Galamsey site are all heading towards Accra to open fire on the military. So the Ghana military should be on standby. Every single person around EOCO should be cautioned. In fact, a warning should be put out that every single person should leave the premises. The yetete eba enyumri eba ne se MPP for omo EOCO headquarters no hono Chairman Wontumi afre ni tax omo Galamsey site odi etu ahye omunsema omaba police soldier for trucks mienu pickup trucks no oma to ahye soldier for no so a sebio oma yese omubedi omodem de omo ye wo ayewa so west wagon de omo ye wo election 2020 no no abi no pese omo ye inti pese ka che Ghana fo nyina any Ghana military say they should be on standby. Clear the area right now. EOCO area, no, they need to clear it right now. It's a security zone. In fact, the police or the military, they have the right to defend themselves. Shooting is also part of it when people apply force. So say it is better we protect our military men. At the end of the day, inti obia or sa area hono. The message is to the Ghana military, Ghana police. They need to protect Ghanaians because obviously they are innocent Ghanaians. Almost so equity omujuma omoba MPP tags no ena omakugu yuko omubotu etata soja for. So we are not supposed to play with these kind of things. Oma already some best say mine. We need to make sure your best say omo and sana oma say mine. This is what is happening at a EOCO office.
So additional reinforcement just came in, and the party faithful are banging and hitting the vehicle. That just came in. The two police pickup trucks that just came in, trying to cut the vehicle. The party faithful here are banging and hitting on the vehicle. That is what you find yourself right now. The party supporters are attacking the police pickup truck that just came in. Yes. And so at this time, the security operatives will not take it. They were literally attacking the police pickup truck that came in. The party supporters were literally attacking the police pickup truck that came in. And now, the military officers will not take it anymore. And so the situation here is escalating. This is the escalation the security operatives had anticipated. So the situation here is getting intense. It's getting intense. Two pickup trucks, police pickup trucks came in, and the party supporters here attacked the police pickup trucks, and now the military also returned the favor, trying to disperse the party supporters here at EOCO. The situation is beginning to escalate at a time when it was presumed or perceived to be calming down. It is beginning to escalate here at the EOCO office.
So where your MPP supporters are Afijomaki Shechri, Nanabi Shechri, we mutisa Nanabi Kohoka say, Omukucho Muhaba, Omukofa, Ebo, any two Ediaba, General Secretary Suba Hokacher and Koran, so Omuni Omunkono Komra, na Omubeti Omunka, video no how Omunati, this is what they were planning to do. Reporter Ebem say, Joy FM reporter, we Oma attacking in Imbre, and Ajuya, the instructions in free, Nanabi, and a year. Kodia and a year party after your markimo, Omo headquarters, also Omunyo Biamba ho, Omona Omode Sanyomana Ama a year party in Brantiano, say Omumra no more attack a day a year EOCO office. No, in fact, intelligence ya pekini say, Oma catch so Omufa Molotov cocktail Emra na Omubetu Eja Engu a year EOCO office. Maybe awa would see me Molotov cocktail, sorry. Ninyane say, Omo pese Emrantiano Eddie Petru Egu a year etuum na Omode a year asawa ana entumasha no mu treja tum no tutu EOCO na Eja etoho. Intimenoka say MPP4 a year penny for tax. No, this is what they are doing now. They are preparing their young boys to come and do that. We are party MPP supporters. In fact, I'm attacking JOYNEWS, a reporter right now, my see and I critical power the video in the that is the breaking news we are dealing with. We are NPP. Samokaya ewie na bi ene Justin Kodua Moba ho be ka kire Ghana for any MPP supporters and say omo nyina nsa nko no mombra na omo beti omo nka. This is what they went to do. We no mko plan is omo beye. Now, my men show a video omo assaulted a JOYNEWS journalist, no, because a party leadership, a party no. I'm sorry. A party leadership and I must sanction this a kind of hooliganism. Inti say we are Ghanaian. Remember adewe nyo we a party. This is what they believe in. Omo be we be catcher and abi catcher say yantwen no mo kodana omo ho aba, and this is what they are doing. Inti enyumbre me no ka say de oba EOCO office wa MPP party no omo supporters akoho and omo attack police for attacking a police cars and then you so JOYNEWS supporter journalist bakwa or reporter or no attack journalist. No, this is the report.
Whether he's been interrogated or he's been detained, we are unable to confirm that. So some party supporters have concerns about the fact that has been reported, but that's a fact, and then we will not back down on that. The fact is that, and you find it in the video that we sent, and that has been played earlier about the attack on the pickup truck by the some of the supporters of the New Patriotic Party who have gathered here to show solidarity with the Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party who have been detained here at the police CID headquarters. So the party supporters are clearly not happy with the reportage that has gone on. So some clarity will be given here.
My brother, did you just make a statement that we are attacking the police?
No, we reported what just happened with regards to the arrival.
Hold on.
Calm down.
Hold on.
You are live on
My brother. You see, we keep saying that in this country, if there will be war in this country, it will come from the journalists. We've been here with you since you in person. Yes. In fact, the security people were attacking you. They say you don't have an ID card. They were forcing you to delete. We fought for you.
So right now, I've been assaulted. I've been assaulted with this pebble, and the assault is captured live. I've been assaulted with this pebble, and the assault is captured with this pebble. And the assault is captured live, and the assault is captured live on television. I have been assaulted by individuals. Turn the camera. Turn the camera. It's captured live on television. You are live on television.
Can I speak?
You can speak. Let me register it. I'll come back to you. So we are putting it on record that this assault has been captured live on television. I have been assaulted.
This is the MPP. Ghana Forecast say we should give them opportunity to come to power. You see what they are doing? The Ghana military, I am sending this message to the CDS. Release the Ghana military on these thugs. These are not people who are ready to help us build a democracy. If they have to shoot, they have to shoot. If we don't take care, these MPP thugs, this is not supposed to happen in 2025. The military, a Ghana police service, you need to open fire. You have friendly fire you can open. You need to open fire because journalists, their lives are at stake here. Ordinary people who are not part of this demonstration, their life too is at stake. We cannot allow political party muni pebi emfa emrane enche omodie omonsa omobo journalist omo tata obia otu video num omo ka say we know where you live. That means they want to go murder him. They said it on camera. Omo ka say we know where you live. We will come to your house. Meaning these MPP thugs, Mr. P, Mr. S, get me the Nanabi video. Ewie Nanabi call EOCO and he gathered the young boys. Or gather boys now me juma che ma Wontumi e ni galam say site no ka so omunko. Omuba back no, this is what they are doing. And we all saw the video na journalist no try to explain reporter. Oh yeah, show video no. The police cars were there. They were attacking the police. The journalist was reporting exactly what was happening, which we all saw on camera. And then they came slapping the guy, throwing pebbles at him and harassing him. This is a political party. This is a party. Its own executive, the leadership of the party, they sanction. This is a political party. They sanction murders of Ghanaians. And this is what you are seeing. So even on camera, they are not shy to do it. This is the NPP. And you see, this attacks you are seeing, it has been sanctioned by the party headquarters. Because they want the people to go and cause the chaos. They want them to go kill. Then after that, they will come on Joy News and say, we apologize. We didn't know what was going on. I am telling you, right now, because Joy News, they will be going there to say, oh, we are sorry. They will kill you. After that, they will come and tell you we are sorry. That is the NPP for you. That's why I keep telling Ghanaians, say, part way, we are not supposed to even think about allowing them close to power again. This is the kind of Brian Champon politics normal you know. Imagine Brian Champon is a flag bearer. Imagine these people are leading you. Do you know what they do? This is the party every single day. This is what they do. They attack the military, they attack the police, and then they will come and say they were rather the victims. And now we are seeing everything on camera. This is the NPP. Mr. P, Mr. S, get me the video of Nana B and Sanamako, the other issues also. Nana B, Ejina TV, so catch the Ghana for say, our EOCO in front of EOCO building, EOCO. Okay, say, Omo Kwaba, we will hear from them. And that is what they are doing. Nana B catch the Ghana for say, Omo Kwaba. And when they left, all that they went to do was that they went and did what? They went and gathered these criminals. So you need to understand, say, party way and your party I also Ghana for. Thank you very much. The video is here. I'm show video no. So this was what they did in the afternoon. Oba hono oni Justin Kodua ne ba area no. And omu such a Wontumi. Legally, he has been held at EOCO. EOCO, someone who's a probable cause or some hold you or some hold you. There's a reason why EOCO is keeping a Chema Wontumi. EOCO can some beku Chema Wontumi. EOCO can some body too. EOCO, they are holding him because of a reason. And they are going to come give us the reason. Into EOCO no omundi bonibia. They have not gone against the law. You can say you don't agree with them, but EOCO embum raso. But Nana B mo echo eriano. Omu who say adiano sebio obube hia thugs any criminals mama attack soldier for any police for no. This one Nana B said in the afternoon. Anyway, omoye.
Then he's picked up in such a Rambo style. Look, trust me, we are not going to sit
down. We are not going to allow this political intimidation, harassment to go on. Trust me. In the coming days, you hear from us.
What are you going to do now?
In the coming days, you will hear from us.
The voice of the people is the
you
voice
will hear
of
from
God.
us.
But are you going
the fact that you have no, you see, if you have an overwhelming endorsement from the people, it doesn't mean you need to harass the people.
What kind of life is that?
It doesn't mean you have to harass the people. You invite somebody, the person honors the invitation, and then right afterwards, just at the premises,
Rambo star,
he is picked up as if he's a common thief. We have said that yes, we want to cooperate lawfully with any form of investigation. We have said.
So after they left the premises, and I'm call back, and then they gathered all the thugs. Oh, and say, "Omunenam akrash shantadi blue army." Akosia menu, then when it's a toilet, no sa girl bino. On na shechire, and omakotisa hungry boys, criminals, ex-convicts. And omumo say omuntuntamon nadie, and omu from Blue Army. Those are the boys they have given guns to. And as boys, I can show you a video of them. Omunenam akra no share TV, Blue Army. Akosia menu na shechire. Sikana eye Rebecca Kufuor de man no, and no and odiako high boys. And they are from Blue Army. And omunam cry no more medanko for bonko for two. Akwess menu munima akwess me girl bi na ne hwene se pardon no. Sa girl bi na also person ko MP adenta no. Those are the things they are doing in Ghana. Anytime catch Ghana police say, any Ghana military say, if anybody misbehaves, gun the person down. Bonituo. Next time no kwase na obu mraso no because you see we have been in this country. Every time the NPP comes to power, they kill and they walk. Every single day the NPP under power, no, they intentionally use the military and the police to kill people. They walk freely. Nobody does anything to them. Lord Comey, the bodyguard, elbow bitwo, and they seen the bodyguard in a way. And that is what they believe in. So right now, what they are doing, and they say they want to try and cause a lot of chaos because now let me show you another video of NPP supporters threatening this journalist again. Say today is his last day. Now let me show you. This is the NPP. Makachiro. Do not underestimate the NPP. They're dangerous. They will kill you, and the Ghana Police Service are not supposed to play with them and say, these are people we have to live with. You need to make sure the law applies. Now I'm just be a threatening journalist say they know where he lives. They will kill him, and I'm telling you, the NPP, they will kill him.
At the EOCO building, the situation largely calm has been restored, and still some of the party supporters are being violent, acting violently, and you can see that on your screens with the assault, verbal assault this time round, after the physical assault on my person.
So what did he say? Can you tell me one word?
That is an F word we can't use on television. It's so indecent we can't say it on television.
He said an F word.
So
the man is speaking gun.
The situation.
The man is speaking gun, and you are saying it's an F word.
The situation is.
The man is speaking gun. There is a
calm has been restored here in front of the EOCO building.
F word.
And
listen, this guy is a dangerous character.
Clearly,
they to be on our media. It's a very dangerous character.
The party supporters.
It's a very dangerous character.
And you find. So you find the assault right live on television. So largely, like I said, calm has been restored here. The security operatives have succeeded in ensuring that calm is restored, but the difficult situation keeps unfolding here at the entrance of the EOCO building here. You just heard the indecent language that has been used here on me by some of the party supporters here in front of the EOCO building.
Today's your last day.
So as we speak, Chairman Wontumi is still in this particular on me by some of the party supporters here in front of the EOCO building.
Today's your last day.
So as we speak, Chairman Wontumi is still in this particular building, the EOCO building. We cannot report whether or not he's been detained or he's been interrogated by EOCO officials. And clearly, some of the party supporters are not happy.
Joy, multimedia should be very careful. And you people might think say NPP for they are joking. Today is your last day. The Blue Army for now, Blue Army no. On Ghana no blue shirt nice or stop your no. On the T Blue Army, this is the guy. Ghana no blue shirt or a video no. This is the guy who formed the Blue Army. Now let me tell you, they will use the Blue Army to attack this journalist. They will kill him. This guy is the leader of that thing they call Blue Army. So Blue Army boys now, majority of them are thugs. Majority of them are murderers. These are boys they picked from different groups are deadly. Now this is the guy that knows blue shirt now is Kasano. He is the leader of the Blue Army. And let me tell you, they will kill the reporter. They said today is your last day. And this guy needs to be questioned. They are the people who at the end of the day Ghana. He is the one behind the Blue Army. From today, kyei is this guy. He formed that group. They formed it. And the idea is that they want to use these boys to cause a lot of mayhem in Accra. So the IGP and the military, the people right now standing at EOCO, a danger to our democracy. Say Obida Hujina EOCO and the police and the military betoma see them as enemies. They can attack the police, they can attack the military, gun them down. Shoot them before they shoot, because some of them they have guns on them. This is an advice to the Ghana Police Service. This is an advice to the military. Mobo Keles and Ajuya. Majority of these boys out there, say sites. They have guns. They are hiding around. Some Mobo Kelesa, they are going to kill. They will shoot the military and say they know nothing about it. So the military should be on standby. The police should be on standby. Chairman Wontumi Obiankuno, he's being detained on Chain Emrano. Nobody has the right to even come and demonstrate and attack a journalist or attack a police vehicle. The police should be on standby. So be a ke or someone keke. So be a keke or someone keke, because these people, we have seen them before. They did it. Ayawaso West Wagon. We saw the way they murdered, they shot people, and they were excited about it. We should not underestimate the NPP. All right, now. All right, thank you very much, boss. Now, this is the Blue Army. In fact, thank you very much. Team need the video of the Blue Army. The Blue Army now make these are the thugs. These boys are all supposed to be profiled by the Ghana Police Service. The CID should get his boys on the ground. These are boys they have given guns to. I'm from the Blue Army. Boys nominee. These are the boys. You need to start profiling them right now.
Everybody gets something to say, suggestions to make.
So these are the people behind those criminals. Oh, I go say, oh, I say tente. Oni Moses Abo. They call it the Blue Army. Krono ebekoso won crying. When it comes to politics, ya bo bituo, ya ko GOB, you be NDC ni akwa attacking, you could be. It is these people. You're from the Blue Army. And MPP for this, how they started when they are in opposition. And Galway Akosia Menu, she is behind it. sikana eye Moses Abode yesade no eye akosua menu mu na produce sika no. So the CID boss and the police and the military, don't underestimate these things. They are going to provide them with weapons. And we know, say, eba etua ye di budi bonia MPP for number 1. We should not underestimate the NPP. Debia ye kachiramo, debia ye di no krachiramo, yamamuhu ade bonia no Ghana, Moses Abo, oni akosia menu. They are the ones behind it the EOCO no. Those are the boys. And the information we are picking is that almost anajuba 12. They are going to start throwing Molotov cocktail into the EOCO building. Anajo around by 12 o'clock. Almost pese almost petrol egu bottles na almost materials esha no mu toja sum no mu to 20 egu EOCO building. So the police should be on standby. They are not going. That is their plan. Akosha menu starting it. Moses Abo omu. That is what they want to do tonight. So don't play nice, Mr. President. Don't play nice. IGP. Do not play nice. Ujimia, they will kill your people. All right, now there are a few stories we all say I can't want them. Story way very, very important. Yes, Chairman Wontumi, they have rushed him to the hospital. Obwa. Wontumi because the end do. Chairman Wontumi send on that EOCO hono into Oyare. You have to go hospital. They say I rushed to the hospital. Kwasiato. The Bema head left. The nine head left. Now Juni head left. Abuofunu also Oyare. Into see breaking news. Chairman Wontumi high or tete also Oyare. Into you have to go to hospital. Mumbo to engineer. Wait, get me. Mumbo the lagatin no. Chairman Wontumi the kwa. Mumbo the lagatin pa. Preko di edibi. No wufem way kuni podi galam say asedi pa. Enti Chairman Wontumi say yes, thank you. Kwansma told me. Kwansma so dey update pa o. Kwansma say Chairman Wontumi breaking news now. Mr. P, Mr. S, get me the story, please. Chairman Wontumi say oyari gidi. Enti ya rush Chairman Wontumi. Ya rush Chairman Wontumi gidi. E de ne call hospital. Adentra Chairman Wontumi say obre owu oyare oboa. Okwa oba mo wona lagatin. Obedu na so odampa ne so a nurse for mo fa shoe panie munim shoe panie de de pam mpobo an shoe no oda wona ka so body injection a na mo shoe panie na mo de wona to oye na mo de ekura munim kura na mo de hwiri trim oye boy na mo de hammer mo de wona so na so ha no de bo ha oga se bi wuo na motam eye woma na chia na mo de bo de chi pow oga se boy na mo de eye de bansere ana baranzu na mo de twa ne chi osi na mo de so hie guru so Osaka sana mde nsansuna ka ho owiare mo twaja to mu agwa madam jama Wontumi ade yeti grow ha he
ma say obema ska say munye demonstration session hwe say o ship almost market pa ba bia this for bia mo attack wo mo obema ska say munye demonstration session hwe say o ship almost market pa ba bia this for bia mo attack wo Anuman duah, owaito, say afutuo, dendo, ayeduma, yapilo, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo. My waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe, my waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe. Hey, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo, bedo be, apani kiki, feki keke bebo. Doctor, I am sick. Got the doctor very quick. The big ability fatigue the bone.
Monfa abonike obedawa nurse for no. Monti abonike. Chairman Wontumi bedawa nurse for no monti abonike. Wada no monfa the to ase yai abonike Wontumi be ne hu nyina be. Monma na abonike abuofunu. Idia ya. Chairman Wontumi so yare oboa. So oba hospital wa nurse for no monfa abonike mfa le to ase moti abonike di se ya na oda hoye buehi ena mi bro mo de ba kofa ne to ase na bia for no matuom na bia for ni ase but Jimmy Koko EOCO na koda inti Chairman Wontumi. This song from Air Boys to Men is dedicated to Chairman Wontumi abonike dompe Chairman Wontumi nurse for no
Anuman duah, owaito, say afutuo, dendo, ayeduma, yapilo, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo, apani kiki to bedo be, feki keke bebo, apani kiki to bedo be,
Doctor, I am sick. Got the doctor very quick.
Mama yankotie lawyer chairman Wontumi lawyer. Yes say the lawyer kasa.
My client has been taken to hospital for medical treatment.
So you've been in for about 6 hours. What has been happening in there?
We have given our statement. They preferred some allegations against him. He responded to them. We haven't finished with interrogation, so we'll come back to continue. Hopefully tomorrow, if his condition improves. Otherwise, he will stay there until that the doctors discharge him, and then we will come back to continue the interrogation. Nevertheless, we have also received this afternoon a writ of summons from Exim Bank, and we are going to respond to the pleadings tomorrow. And I'm very hopeful that we'll be able to mount a defense of the writ. When we are in court, we will indicate that to the court that this we consider a civil matter, for which reason Exim Bank has issued a writ of summons to us, which we are also responding. So this one of a supposed criminal investigation, I am sure and confident that we will be able to also surmount a defense.
Finally, what were the charges that were preferred against him in there?
The laid charges of yes, the laid charges of the relationship between himself and Exim Bank and supposed okay. So it's okay. No matter.
I mean, so as you can see, Lawyer Andy Apiakobi is going to his car. What we do know now, we can confirm.
Abibi, sabi catch up from day one. Mese party a omwe Jimmy pa ebini. There's no direction. Oh, dabi. Ome mole for. Edem hey. Gidi no minute form. No ma sorry. Move. Gidi. Kila move the money. Omwe Jimmy. Party way. No coordination. No organization. Nothing. Omo mudi party the chiromu nko school. And debi ayaka. Yesi I no kase. Yesi chairman Wontumi. Na kuma yare aba oyare. Be ma 10 gramo. Sebi oni be ma chia. Na go to hospital. Monfa abodi kemfa no to. And yes, so that hospital no. Exim Bank for answer the letter ba say chairman Wontumi. Omne no court. Ombra. Chairman Wontumi. Me say. Obetete. Otobetete. Obebre. Na maka. When you say chairman Wontumi kwa na bebre. Amanfo obebre o Ghana no. You'll be shocked. Now, debi ameka me say politics ya de kwasia na gitumi. For 8 years, Chairman Wontumi to a good deal with Ghana. Chairman Wontumi, the Minerals Commission, the document by akwess de oye illegal. Chairman Wontumi nya sika betena TV so eyi sika free ne pa. Hwe ade me be kire wo. Hwe oba besia. Enya kwasia na wo ya, enya jimi na wo ya, oba besia. Ah, sebio kwasiampenyi wetu gold enye sika hwe ne yire ko Chairman Wontumi yire. Mama me Chairman Wontumi yire ne pictures ni videos oye. Ko hwe photoshoot af Chairman Wontumi yire ye. Wo hwe ne sisi, I cement bag. Ena cement bag ye de ensa bobbo ho, ena ye ding. Wa twetwa body no, ena otedem ye photoshoot. Kwasi aba bi gina ho okoko ama Chairman Wontumi hwe ye de kwasi na gitumi hwe. Hwe nanim.
What kind of life is that? What is this? What kind of life is that? We are going to. want to know what is going on? About what kind of life is that? What is this? What kind of life is that? We are going to.
You're the question they did to me. You're the question they did to me. Chema Wontumi rada. Ne mada. Hwe kwasi aba. Wakasa Wontumi nkasa. Ise ko hwe the dross mu nyina for den. Oyi the dross no puruma mu nyina manya ntoburo. Adan a onte ase ase Chema Wontumi. Kwasi ato Jamestown ote. Party ni menhia de te no. Why we nim den se case 5. O ko ama hwan na o ko ama no. Wanu se so holy. O ko ama hwan na bebre oba besia wo de wabo D30 92 Brazil ena hye wo ko ase. Wo ma se wa wo nko ade a wo mba gufie na wo de ugimi ko ama Chema Wontumi. Kwasi ampanyin no eyi gold free ne pana wen. Chema Wontumi wo gina ho na ne yiri gina ho obewu se wo ye preko obeware oba no. Oba na twitwa de body ye photo shoot odo o dross mu infifre gina ho ko ama hwan wa basa se oso no. Yade kwasi na gitumi ampa. Mo hwere nim. Aso tonjot e o Mali.
About what kind of life is that? What is this? What kind of life is that? We are going to.
As a case 5. Yo. Obi going to be. Wabasa se osono. Me see. We Jimmy. Oh, Governor Mujina ho. This is the MPP for you today. Who is the leader there? Who is the leader? Now, there's one thing I want to tell you young people in Ghana. Any more bruchira. Mu bibi on social media na mu diechiri. I never say. Yeah? The social media you see there, that is where some people eat. The social media you see, that is where some people who are depressed, omutia bruchiri, and Ghana, that is where depression, that's where they go and release tension. The social media you see there, that social media now it can destroy you one time. So we sad way in political party. MPP ne si wona make Nyankopon hatasuri oba we oduru menhia e be pam ne sakoko. Minim tribal ye, but she sounds like a baby enkranni. Asante form what party because hwe enkranni aboa hwe de oye. Omo de party ne beji sika. Da ben na wo hu se ya chi obi wa MPP mu eye demonstration wo hu gabi o cheda ko wom. Mo jimi obi maami o. The nim se case 5. Da ben na hu se party ne demonstration eye gidigidi a police ne betuma bow to a wo hu bedi etu o hobby. Hwe de nim se case 5 eye China. Da ben ne wo hu se party no eye sa anyoba wo ya eye kedofori ta asori film pass se oba begina hobby. Da ben ne wo hu bi. Da ben ne wo hu achemfo na omudi party ne nim government egi sika. Sam petera no mugu Jubilee House na omutumi kra pizza every UK 3 hours na play the abano. Sam kofo no da ben ne wo hu se ebi gina ho ye we mo ye nwan mo ye nkwasiafo ma. Ye bebo mutu akumude bia because ye de kwasiaba na gitumi. Ebi nie. Mike ko heda o dem nso tope na enwunu. Chema Wontumi aye galamse wo Ghana ha nyina ode ne mbagogu abrochire. We si 9,000. Kwasi ampanyi we busua dan kurampo uni bebi a odi sika beye. Why we nim se case 5 usi di enya den. Party no mo betamu sika. Oma party ye from adehye. Ende ye busa na po se Chema Wontumi na ya frɛ no odwene ho sen. Munte de na po kan ye. Na po de no kan ye.
Chema Wontumi was at the police headquarters yesterday. Have you read it? Have you seen what happened in his home on Friday?
I wasn't here when it happened, but I've seen yesterday on some of the portals that Chema Wontumi was impeccably dressed, went to the police headquarters. I hear he was being cautioned and he'll find his way in court. You see, when you're in a public space or you are contracting on behalf of the state, you have to make sure that at any time when you are called to account, you do your bit. Forget about the propaganda and the noise around. You have to get yourself ready for accountability every time.
Yes.
The police headquarters, I hear he was being cautioned and he'll find his way in court. You see, when you are in a public space or you are contracting on behalf of the state, you have to make sure that at any time, when you are called to account, you do your bit. Forget about the propaganda and the noise around. You have to get yourself ready for accountability every time.
Yes. I want to was at the police headquarters.
Asama PZ4 Asante4 mona mudi matempa we de this year wakane brofo mia ekoya na mesa bejudwom yebusa na po se mo chairman Wontumi and the police for amoa no em ye say o meyi nsem ya no ma yamoa na hye mo se ho chairman Wontumi me hu se address pa na ewiase de the moment oni abiding sa woso I was say we are wadwene say why you ready say imre bia beto nsa afro so abokoro no bia obeyi ano wati asema na po ka kire no o say so oni abiding sa woso anyway bia oni aban edin sa woso bia no on de o ka cheche ma Wontumi say sabio ye tete abetie no na ne cha no no e na sabio otwe ankwa ne wonam de ekọ enti o say o ka cheche ma Wontumi say ombre no wase na woni abiding sa woso nko ade o say na nka wo ye wadwene say dan ya betija enti na nka wo say de bia no boa wo ho o ka kire ne say munja no no mre every say ono nko na di sika no nyansa kasa na ono mo ka no wo oba why wonim say case 5 yetia nchen na po say mon kan cheche ma Wontumi say wo nko awudi a wo nko awo ne agwa baba da betebe agwa betebe pia na po brofo kan ni nyame body tofa o se wo nko wudi wo nko wone enti sa oni aban edin sa woso a e wo se o kai se o yofo nsa no da chi ye bebusa wo sa wo nsa no wen enti na po se mo amudi na giri mo agimi na time na o buru sika na o dwiri asase no na o di sika di contract na nkwasiafo bo wen abonike dompe
Anuman duah obato saya afutuo dendo ayajuma ya bilo aboniki dompe fakike bempah aboniki dompe fakike bempah aboniki dompe fakike bempah my waist my backbone my knees my toe my waist my backbone my knees my toe hey aboniki dompe fakike bempah dompe aboniki fakike bempah doctor I am sick. Got the doctor very quick. The big ability fatigue get the bone. Anuman duah obato saya afutuo dendo ayajuma ya bilo ability to big fatigue get the bone. Ability to big fatigue get the bone. Ability to big fatigue get the bone. My waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe, my waist, my backbone, my knees, my toe. Hey. Doctor, I am sick. Got the doctor very quick.
MP before I'm demonstration at Jimmy shows about me. Munima Branty we. The one first say nice guy, very nice guy. Odu girl job brefucking. Where you make say extra. Munimo now a presidential staffer. I year of return. Your friend Ghpage. Munimo nice guy. Kwasi afọ mu fi mu demonstration. We mu na no mo sign omukuta omu run system no. We hu no demonstration as that kwasi why we use case 5. Ayo tuje bo ba Wontumi ye de mo be gi to me sa ye mo se moa. We ye friend Ghpage no ye presidential staffer. We hu ne da. Wo ba we a wo kasa wonu ntutuo se kokuo no. Oba say hey woman please can you step back? Sana be ka kire o. I say odum bon. We mu no omu fragrance ni papa o. We mu no mu yadwuma or your presidential staffer year of return Ghpage akonie kwasi afọ bugu abontina mo ndaye we wada baba ni jantra fo mi ansa di nchen he's slanging so ba we na no be say man say woman stay back please stay back onka unimu no odo kwasi aye demonstration ma che ba Wontumi presidential staffer we hunu da apike mamo me de medwuma no samo Samoko kromo na wobe kuati. Papa Samoko kromo na wobe kuati. Ebi cancel. Samay. Samoko kromo na wobe kuati. Kevin Teller, you cannot come to Ghana. Kevin Teller ko kromo na wobe kuati. Kevin ko kromo na wobe kuati. Pimpinta. Pimpinta, tantanta, pimpinta, tantanta, pam, din, akura wiswa. My name is Kevin Ekuonaba. It's been a wonderful